Sorry about that. So moving on with my relevancy statement. So the research that I was provided with and read, it really increased my content knowledge of how leadership can impact the academic and non-academic activities and barriers. Because as a future school leader, I need to continue to develop my own personal leadership skills and my knowledge about what the teachers and students need to be successful. Teachers really need to feel supported and encouraged about our ever-changing educational lives, and as a leader, I want to provide them with the tools necessary to be able to implement success within our school. This assignment I feel was relevant to my current learning because I need to learn more about this topic and how it affects schools across the nation. A lot of times when we are posed with things like this, I only think about my tiny district and how it could affect us, and I need to, think in broader terms because the school district that I am a part of really only makes up a third of the schools across the nation. I know that technology should be used as a tool that enhances the learning process for students, not replaces it. It's meant to provide further personalization for the students within their given interests. And we have endless amounts of information at our fingertips, and we need to ask ourselves, are we using it to improve our teaching, or are we afraid of how it will impact our teaching? I believe that for our given area, the demographics we have, our budget, and the last few years in education taking a toll in our district, I believe that we are really moving towards technology-rich academics. We're not perfect, and we have a lot of learning to do to continue, but I think that we're on the right track, and I believe this because we use technology to supplement and enhance our activities, enhance our curriculum, and we can really tier it to our learners' preferences. My personal reflection, so after I'd accepted my first administration position, how would I find out? I'm working toward, how would I find out what our school needs? I want to spend a lot of time learning about the school. I don't think it would be great to go in and say, okay, this is what we're doing and we're changing it, and not ever really get to know the school, the teachers, and what other administrators within the district view as important and what we're working on. I want to gain a good understanding about the students, the demographics, the culture, the academics and non-academic opportunities, and the community involvement in general. I think there's a lot of value in communication and having honest conversations with teachers about what their current teaching practices are and how they want to see themselves grow and our technology grow. I want to learn more about what they're comfortable with, and I think the most important thing to keep in mind is that change over time is more beneficial because it creates more buy-in from your staff. There's a list of my references. Thank you.